Austin's offering me Tim's right now. He's being my sugar daddy today.
I'm your sugar daddy every day.
You can't slide, you can't drive! Yeah! That's it!
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Oh my god, yo! Welcome to another episode of TooFast TV. We're getting back to normal. Enough of this Shredapalooza stuff. We'll bring you some Shredapalooza stuff when we have another Shredapalooza. Anyways, make sure you follow us on Instagram and TikTok. And make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that button, that little red button, and that bell beside it. And yo, you'll be dinged up. You'll be hit up with all the notifications all day, every day. TooFast TV.
You can really see what Austin's good at. Eating and doing nothing. Get out of the vehicle.
Am I being kicked out of my own?
Come.
Okay.
We need to
Only at
interview you.
TooFast this happens, eh?
We need to interview you.
Interview me?
Yeah, for the
I'm
cops.
irrelevant, bro.
For the cops. The cops are requesting interview.
I know English, señor. Sorry, no hablo inglés.
No, we want to talk about your Jeep, man. The Gladiator.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
The Gladiator.
So it's the Gladiator.
Oh, Gladiator?
Gladiator.
No,
Okay.
it depends where you're from. If you're from the Middle East, you call it Gladiator.
No, from Middle East. Gladiator, bro. You heard the new Jeep. Gladiator is number one, bro.
So you put these crazy wheels, eh?
Yeah.
Very, very too fast.
Very too fast, man. I got linked up by my man. Too
Yeah.
fast guy. This guy right here, you know?
This guy is very smart. He did really nice mods to this. What was that one mod you did to the steering?
Synergy, steering pump dampener.
His Jeep has to drive smoothly straight, or else it's going back to the dealership. And he figured out a way to do it without going back to the dealership. Because you don't like the dealership, do you?
The dealership. The dealership.
First day he got it, he modded the front bumper. Stubby front bumper. Next day, he got rims. Third day, synergy bracket. This guy, he's not normal, he's crazy. When you get a Jeep, it's very addicting. The mods start as soon as you buy it.
Looking like Superman over here, yo.
Honestly, that blue and red.
How much one of these run?
The 85 G's tax.
85 G's taxes in.
know
And we're not even gonna talk about the mods after.
Lifted, rims, tires, tins, visor things, and I got like 10 other things coming.
Jesus
Wow.
Christ.
Yeah, it doesn't end.
This guy balled out.
It looks clean as though.
Literally, it's spotless.
It's literally clean as
Detailing by yours truly.
No, you know why? Because I have fittings, but they're not vibrant. I use really good vibrant fittings.
On yours.
Yeah, and you don't want any coolant leaks, nothing.
No,
So
exactly.
I know it's gonna work good, right?
Does he have a heat bag for this?
No, but you should get one.
You should get one. For sure.
Yeah. Oh wow, look how this coolant hose sits too close. It's gonna melt it.
It's gonna melt it. I'll just wrap it.
We'll just give him mine.
Huh? Your heat bag?
Yeah, he's gonna need it.
Yeah, he's gonna need it.
Or else he's gonna melt.
I know. On the fire. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So Wes, you've been working hard all day. So what have you done to this beautiful 350 so far?
What we're doing is the Rev 9 turbo kit here.
You mean the Salim package?
The Salim package.
The Salim package.
The Salim imitation here. No, we're modifying certain things now on this turbo kit installed that where we found some issues with the original turbo kit on his, you know. Little things like where we put the return line fitting, just the way we run the lines are it's a lot more spaced out. Yeah, it's still super tight, you know, but we made everything work and fit, and there's you know, tons of room between stuff. You gotta make it work, you know, like the big turbo here sitting in the bay.
What size turbo is it, do you know?
This size, I'm not sure. This size, I'm not sure.
It looks almost identical to the one Salim has.
It's comparable to like GTX 35. Exact same one that Salim's running on his kit. It's turning out really nice. We've been waiting a long time for parts. Slowly but surely, it's going together.
So how long has this been in here? Getting work done on it?
How long has it been here? Since this is the first car I touched since I started at TooFast. So.
So it's been here for a while.
It's been here for a minute. It's been here for a minute, you know?
Is it like parts are taking a while with COVID and stuff?
Yeah, you know, the COVID has delayed a lot of deliveries and stuff.
Man, just want to drive his car.
I know, he just I just like, I want to see this running, you know? Like, I want to get this out of here, man.
It's almost like your baby at this point. You put so much time into it.
I own this thing now, man. Frick. So yeah, no, there's a couple more fittings left.
So you guys are about like 90% there.
Yeah, we're
a couple
like
fittings, a tune.
That and Salim just has to build the downpipe.
True.
Exhaust. Or well, the downpipe's on. He's gotta build.
Connect it, right?
Yeah, he's gotta build it from the downpipe back now. But the hot side's all done.
Damn.
Like I said, yeah, just running the lines here, and hopefully we get the right fitting in today. Yeah, we've gone through like 3 different fittings. Like, keep sending us the wrong threads or wrong ones.
I'm sure you guys saw at the beginning of the episode, my man's trying to screw that thing in, and then he had to call Salim. Salim's trying to screw it in, and then we find out it's probably the wrong size.
Like, what's going on here?
Hiccups?
So major hiccups, like
besides the regular VQ hiccups.
Yeah, Rev 9 kit, it fits a lot tighter than. It doesn't look when you get all the piping and everything. It doesn't look like, how is this kit gonna fit, you know? But it fits.
It fits.
It fits.
Or you make it fit.
It fits, all right. Only thing really you have to remove is you can't. Unfortunately, we couldn't run the AC with it. Sits right here with the turbo.
Man's gonna be hot boy in the car.
Unfortunately, he wanted to keep AC, but you know, we told him we can't fit the turbo.
Literally can't.
Literally cannot fit the turbo with the compressor still in. So other than that, like, pretty much the only custom things I had to do was just make the brackets here for the intercooler.
So for the most part, the kit just bolted in?
Pretty much the kit just bolted in. You just had to relocate. Well, he had an oil cooler already. I had to relocate that for him and build the brackets for the intercooler here. Oh, and I made a bracket for the turbo right there. That little guy right there.
Yeah, you can see it.
So I just made a little extra mount. Doesn't say to install it, I just did it.
Going the extra mile for the customer.
Extra mile, you know? Guys, I'm very surprised how the kit fits, man. Very surprised.
Yeah? You weren't expecting it to be that easy?
Well, I wouldn't say easy. I didn't expect it to be to fit this nicely, actually. It fits very nicely.
It really does.
Very snug.
And also, I love this placement. I love where that turbo sits. I love it.
Got that airflow, you know?
And I'm low-key digging the bumperless. I don't know why. I'm low-key digging it.
I'm super nasty without it, yo. And then we'll do some tires later on these boys.
Some tires?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's put it on the place. Put it up here. We can't let him roll out with a new turbo kit with tires like that.
Oh man, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice stretch.
Bro, I love the fitment on this car though. Like, the fitment's actually unreal. Like, I think I showed the people before, like, if you look at the back fender here, this is all on the hoist, by the way. Back fender, literally 1 finger width. Up here, you look at the tolerances between the freaking wheel and the brake. Look at this. Look at this. That's ridiculous. That's absurd. That's absurd, Wes.
Absurd.
But it's fire.
Yeah, you know what? I think the hardest thing that I did on this was the aftermarket motor mounts here. That was probably the most difficult thing. A little sketchy, a little tight to get those in, but...
So he's building this for power.
I'm not
or
sure.
reliability.
I'm not sure what he's building it for. I think
because it doesn't have
I think he just wants to make choo-choo noises.
Like he just wants to hear the sound.
Yeah, because like I mean, if he was gonna build it for power, he would have went with a standalone. He's running stock ECU right now. So on the Rev 9 kit, it tells us to install the oil return right into the pan here, but you see how small the pan is. Holds about maybe 1 liter of oil, 1.5 liters of oil. Only in the pan. So if you think about it, where does the oil have to return if it's full? It's gonna back up into that line and blow your turbo. So in this case, we've installed the fitting in the upper oil pan to give it room, give it tons of room to drain oil into. It's the little things, you know?
It is the little things, because the little things lead to the big things.
And this is one of the things we found, you know, where it was a flaw on Celine's, and it was backing up oil right back into the turbo, especially under high load. So he plans on taking it to Shani. She'll be good.
No customer complaints.
Hopefully not.
When Wes is working on your car, no customer complaints. If you do complain, we don't tell him. Gotta keep the confidence up. Alright, I'm gonna let you get back to work, Wes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and TikTok at TooFast TV, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
My man has the club on the one hand that's not getting dirty.
I really just gotta wait for this to walk out.